Your teeth. Yeah.
Blue, my God, you in love to your mom. You love her so much, huh? Huh?
Yeah.
He said yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Your eyes, close your eyes.
Oh my gosh.
Blue?
Oh my God.
Blue?
What, Grandma? Don't disturb him.
Blue?
He is very romantic.
Blue?
Imagine, look. OMG. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh.
Your eyes.
OMG. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Blue?
Grandma, stop. Grandma. He in love. What to do?
Hello?
No.
Mom, you said you were sleeping. I like it.
Oh my God.
Blue.
Maybe you check in her 820.
Yeah, I put alarm.
820? 820 what?
Oh my gosh. You so papak your mommy. You love him so much, huh?
And then, what time you will arrive? 4 o'clock? Okay.
OMG.
Yeah.
OMG.
Oh, halas, okay. You finish everything?
Oh my God. Oh.
You take with you the scale? How many kilo the big one? You didn't check now. No. Yeah. Check out. Okay. Check out. 2 o'clock. And what time you're going to the airport? 3 o'clock? 4 o'clock?
Okay. He's done. Still.
You will stay in the airport.
OMG.
Okay.
He's...
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Blue?
Oh, 9:20. Yeah, must be 4:20.
Oh.
Yeah. So in Malaysia, what time also? I know you have here the papers. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Only Singapore to Malaysia.
I love you, mommy.
Slowly. Slowly, Blue.
Slowly.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Miss, you will make Malaysia to quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Oh my gosh.
Halas.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.